am Annalakshmi and today we shall learn a nature quiz. Let us learn it. When is Nature Day observed? 28th of July. Bat-eared foxes eat all of the following, but which consists of up to 80% of their diet? A. Berries, B. Reptiles, C. Insects, or D. Small birds. The right answer is option C. Insects. How many tornadoes occurred in the United States in April 2011, setting a record for the most active tornado month in the country? 758. Which of the following animals is the wombat's closest relative? A. Koala, B. Babai, C. Emu, or D. Kangaroo. The right answer is option A. Koala. What is the nickname for the fish otherwise known as the fathead sculpin? Mr. Blobby. On which day wet rain occurred on Kerala? 25th of July 2001. Which of the following presidents doubled the acreage of the national park system? A. Richard Nixon, B. Calvin Coolidge, C. George H.W. Bush, or D. Jimmy Carter. The right answer is option B. Jimmy Carter. At what age a reindeer first outrun you? 1 day old. Male honeybees or drones don't have which of the following? A. Stomach, B. Antenna, C. Stinger, or D. Sense of humor. The correct option is C. Stinger. Thank you, and let us meet tomorrow.